Morgan County officials encourage people to get their flu shots during the pandemic. Health officials report 18 confirmed COVID-19 cases, 10 of whom have symptoms at Decatur Morgan Hospital. Decatur City schools leaders say they're working to keep numbers low with desk shields and masks in grades K through 2. Leaders say last Friday, 18 people tested positive and more than 330 students and faculty are in quarantine and isolation. As for the flu, officials say their flu and fever clinic have reported some cases.
Please get your flu shots. There are flu shots at pharmacies all over Decatur and Morgan County. Please get your flu shot.
The Morgan County Health Department is scheduled to have a flu shot drive-through clinic at Central Baptist Church on October 20th.